The DT80, straight out of the box, comes set up with a speed setting of fast. For difficult targets like this, you might not read. It might get 0. So one of the things we can do that helps with setup and demoing is changing it from the default to a distance mode. You apply the settings, and now we can actually look to see it will pick it up. After just even a couple seconds, it actually picks up the target and gives our switching outputs. We're going to go back and look at what the distance is now. And it takes a little bit of time, but now we're actually reading a distance. And this is for extreme targets, but I think this is one of the best settings for demoing to customers. Another way to do that same thing, except a shortcut, we're actually changing the cycle time. That's what's really happening with those 3 modes. We have 33 millisecond cycle time, which is great for really fast switching outputs, counting, things like that, but it limits it to 40 meters. If you could go up to 3 seconds, actually even 200 milliseconds is probably good, but hey, go on up to 3 seconds. It might take up to 3 seconds on very difficult targets like we just saw there. I set it up purposely as being very difficult on an edge. Another thing to do, change the filter. Factory default on this is no filtering. Great for real applications, but for demoing, put an averaging on and do at least 4. You can do more than that. The other thing to do is go into the display setting and set it to high. It just makes it easier to read. And if things get really wonky, factory reset. But doing those settings right there will give you a better demo and a more robust solution.